Hello, my name is Aditya Kumar. I am a student of CSE 512. Today I'll go over how I did the extracurricular task 2 for Elasticsearch, and I'll go over my code as well. Very quickly. Um, so according as I was going over the entire setup, I saw that there were two different ways of doing this project. I The one was to use the Cloud API and the other was Docker. I went with the Dockerized application as I found that uh, setting up uh, setting up the cloud application may be simple, but with Docker, I do not have to worry about dependencies as such. So I've gone with Docker for this demonstration. And I have the application up and running instead of starting it from scratch. Simply based on the fact that the time right now is insufficient on the basis of like if something goes wrong, I won't be able to re-record it again. So we have Elasticsearch as it is. Right now I have an incorrect prompt going on. Uh, oh wait, I did not show my code for this. Um, I can't see this. So, so I have my app.py over here, and I have my search.py. I'm using localhost. I've given my password. Shouldn't show it, but still. Okay. I have an incorrect search over here just to show that the application is running. We do not have a Fire-based document in the database, so nothing. Now, if I add something like "oh," you have two categories. Now, this is at the end of all of the updates and interjections. So right now, assume that we cannot see anything on the left-hand side and no pages. So home, as it stands for our basic search, where it's simply giving what's present. We have the scores, but we have scores, categories, and the date that it was updated, and that's fine. Now, a step above this would be a filtered search. So something like category, category, um, teams. So okay, category teams. Both of them are teams, so does not work. So let's push it to work. Category teams. We now have three. Let's see what happens once I Control C, delete. We now have five. So essentially, we are now filtering five. Oh, sorry, we have 11. I did not notice because I do have my application filtering five up to five. So if I change this to say eight, save it, and I really reload it, we now have eight. This actually goes to the next part of this demonstration, which is the paginated search. Paginated search, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Basically, we are reducing and aggregating documents into pages where we are not reloading all of the documents again. So we got our paginated search, we got our categories as well. Sorry, filtered search part of this. Um, Now, I believe the last one is faceted search, and I think work as a street file works perfectly. Faceted search basically, I initially told you to ignore the categories, years, and all of this. We now take a look at that. So faceted search essentially takes a step further from both paginated and filtered search, as you now have this sidebar to ease our selections. So the SharePoint category, SharePoint teams that we did, or even the dates. Now we have dates as well. Not to say that we did not have dates, but we had dates regardless. Um, a quick go over that code. This we do have a reindex for us, and yeah, this is our search. Thank you.